How do I get started in stock trading? Well, just like anything else in your life, it all revolves around education. For example, if you're a realtor, a scientist, a doctor, even a baseball player, it's about training, it's about education, learning from people that have already been in the trenches of that industry and teaching you not only how to do it, but also how to circumvent the problems and challenges of that industry. At Trading Academy, we focus on something called core strategy, which revolves around supply and demand methodology. In life, no matter where you go, the prices of everything are driven by supply and demand. That means demand pushes price up, supply pushes price down. And in our methodology, we look at how to follow institutional footprints, meaning where is the big money going? Because obviously the big players are the ones that are going to move the markets. So if you want to get started in stock trading, it's about having a strategy of understanding how to follow the institutions. More importantly, understanding how money flows from one entity to another. How does it drive the price of Intel or Cisco or Microsoft up or down? Now, once you understand those driving forces, then we can start to craft a plan around it. In our core strategy, we always focus on three main variables. How do you buy a specific position, meaning your entry? How do you exit for a profit? And how do you exit for a loss? Now, nobody here wants to take a loss, but it's just a part of our business, and we have to make sure that risk management is paramount. Now, that's foundational. That's the core of learning how to trade stocks or futures or Forex or options, is having that foundation. As you progress, you'll start to build on top of that, adding in things like technical analysis, fundamental analysis, looking at trading strategies with all sorts of different technical indicators and a wide variety of different tools that may, and I repeat, may help increase your probability of success. But it all starts with foundation and education. So if you want to get started in the stock market, it's about learning the fundamentals of how stock trading works and then build your plan accordingly, grow, and continue to get your hands in these markets. Get in there with a simulator. Start off with paper money so you don't have any real money on the line. And then as you get more comfortable and understand it, start very small. And of course, in that, it's about making sure you pick the right securities, you don't get influenced by social media and all these people pumping and dumping stocks. Have a clear plan, a clear strategy, and that, my friends, is how you get started in stock trading. If you'd like to learn more, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel or register for our free trading and investing workshop using the link below or scan the QR code.